half Marpat, half 80s hair metal, and half fiery explosions. Pew! 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 It's the Tactical Review, a shitty production. Hi guys, this is your Chief Operator Stephen with a PH. Today we're going to be discussing fighting pistols, and today we have the perfect example, the Hi-Point 380. Now this is a quality piece. It's striker fired and a polymer frame, much like a Glock. Only the engineers at Hi-Point have given it a lifetime warranty and decided to make it a straight blowback action made from high-quality zinc and aluminum alloy called Zamac. Yes, Glock perfection indeed. Now, you might have some difficulties here racking your 1-pound slide, and they don't always fire. Of course, with the overall weight of this fine weapon, you can always throw it at your aggressor. Now that you have your fine weapon, you might want to mount a good weapons light. I like this Ozark Trail that I picked up at Walmart. As you see, it has a strobe feature. You can use this to disorient your attacker. That's always a plus.